guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple DIY wall hanging using ice cream sticks. So you will need 4 ice cream sticks, then a small sheet of paper, then 4 roses I have taken in pink color. To know how to make these roses, I have given the link in the description box. Please check that. And then scissors, glue and normal tape and a pen. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, so for the first step you will require only a tape, 4 ice cream sticks and your scissors. Okay, so let's start. First keep this away and then arrange your ice cream sticks in a diamond shape. Okay, so this is in a diamond shape. Now take tape. Take a bit long tape. Cut it. So I have taken this much long. You'll have to cut this in half. Now you have got 2 pieces of tape here. So first join this together. Make sure it's in the correct shape. Only then you'll have to stick it. Then stick this on top of it. There might be some excess here, just fold it back. Then turn this, and even in this side you'll have to stick the tape. Now on the top you have sticked it. See, it's been sealed. If you pull also it will not come out. Like this you'll have to arrange even this in a perfect diamond shape, and you'll have to stick all the edges. Okay guys, I've completed sticking tape on all the edges. It's been sealed now. Now this next step is completely optional. I am taking some paint and paintbrush to just paint this off. If you have the wall is in a different color or something, no need to paint, but I am just painting it in blue color. Make sure it's something different from your wall. So let's paint this. Okay guys, I've completed painting it in blue color. Now keep this aside. Now take your sheet of paper. I've taken green color. You can also take green color because it's for the leaf. Now fold it in half. Then turn it like this. Take your pen or a pencil you can use. Then draw it in a leaf shape. You just have to draw it this much. Then take it. Using your scissors, cut out just through this outline. Now I have cut it. Now just trim these edges. You'll have to make it a bit more thin because you don't need a very fat leaf. Now open it. It's come like this. So we'll have to do some decoration to this. Only then you'll make the bottom part alright. So now let's do that. So first make it in triangle. See, it should come like this. Likewise, you'll have to cut it out here also. So just till here you'll have to cut it. So keep all this away. Now it's come like this. Now you'll have to open it. It's like this, right? So keep it, and then from here you'll have to cut this bottom part. Now it's like this, right? It's a nice leaf for yours. Like this you will have to make 3 or 4 more pieces. Okay guys, so before you cut out the other leaves, you'll just have to do this part also. You'll have to take it like this top pointed edges there, right? You'll have to fold it like this. If you have watched my butterfly video, in that also like this similarly. Now turn it this side and then fold it. If you have watched that video, you'll have a similar thing in this also. So fold this back, turn it, and then again like this, and then like this. That's it. So I have got it like this. Wow. Now open the leaf. If you keep it, it's very nice, right? Like this you'll have to make the other 4 leaves also. You'll have to fold it also in the similar way. Now I have made 3 more like that. So now totally we have 4. I have taken one big, this little small, this more small, and this is the smallest one. You can also cut it in the same way. So now bring in the prepared hanging which you made with the ice cream sticks, and then bring your roses. To know how to make the roses, as I already told you, please check the description box. I have given the link, and in that video the first rose only is this rose. Okay, then bring glue. So take glue, take one of the biggest leaf, turn it to the other side, and then apply some glue here. Take this and then stick it here. Now take one rose. You'll have to put some glue here. I put some glue there. This much at the hole here completely. You'll have to put some glue. And then stick this rose there. Even here you'll have to apply glue. Take another rose and then stick this there. You can move it a bit from the leaf, or on top of the leaf itself you can stick it. Now you'll have to allow this to dry. Okay guys, so now here I have stuck the 2 roses and this leaf. Before allowing it to dry, take the smallest leaf here, take some glue and then put some glue here and then stick it. So this is nice. Similarly with the other 2 roses and the other 2 leaves, you have to stick here also. Now this wall hanging has completed drying and it's been ready. It's very beautiful. So that's it, our wall hanging is ready. So if you guys have watched this video, please like, share, comment, and also if you're watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Watch you guys in the next video.